it's about buying or selling of a property, you always approach a broker, don't you? It won't be wrong to say that brokers bridge the gap between the property buyers and sellers, thus proving to be a catalyst in property transactions. Hi, I'm Pooja Solanki and we bring before you a special show on the occasion of World Brokers Day. Before we begin, let's listen in straight from the horse's mouth.
My name is Ram Prasad Padi.
स्वालिन कुरैशी नाम है मेरा.
Myself Rajendra Karia.
मेरा नाम गुलवेश शेख है.
I am the CEO of Mobile Properties.
I am a proprietor of KK Associates.
I run a real estate consulting firm for the last 21 years.
Last 3 to 4 years.
Last 27 years.
I think our basic needs in life is, as we all say, roti, kapda and makan. But makan is the most dearest of all, the most expensive of all.
और काफ़ी लोग आते हैं बाहर शहर से, उनको घर देने में मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
वो हॉबी में से मैं एज ए रियल एस्टेट कंसल्टेंट बन गया.
When I started my career, my parents were very supportive, but there was a bit of skepticism that why this profession.
पर्सनल लाइफ तो कुछ जी नहीं पा रहा है,
क्योंकि कभी रात को 2 बजे फ़ोन आ रहा है, कभी 4 बजे फ़ोन आ रहा है.
ना दोस्तों को टाइम दे पाता हूँ.
पापा पेरेंट्स मीटिंग में नहीं आए, पापा अब यहाँ नहीं आए,
किसी भी फंक्शन पर नहीं पहुँच पाता हूँ.
वेकेशन पे हम जा नहीं सकते हैं.
Real estate brokers work that day.
ऐसा पैसा किस काम का जब लोगों को टाइम ना दे पाऊँ.
We've today come up with words like consultant, realtors and all, but the main word remains is dalal.
हम लोग सामने वाले को अपना भाई समझ के ट्रीट करते हैं.
लोग एक दलाल की नजर से देखते थे लोग.
Clients never value a broker's time.
आता है, देखता है, देखने के बाद अगर उसको पसंद आया तो ठीक है.
और कोई फ़ोन नहीं उठाता है, टाइम पे फ्लैट देखने अवेलेबल
नहीं आया तो बोलता ठीक है नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलूंगा.
So at many a times I have just left the place, intimating him that I waited for him.
और उसका वेट तो मैंने काफ़ी 2 घंटे से किया और वो नहीं आया. इसमें मेरी तो गलती नहीं थी, बट फिर भी मैंने उसको कुछ नहीं बोला. बट ठीक है, सॉरी सर, मेरे से मेरी ही गलती है. मेरे प्रोफेशन में ये बात आती नहीं है कि मैं गाली का जवाब गाली से दूँ.
As far as real estate goes, we do not have an industry status.
25 लोग देखने वाले होते हैं, 75 लोग जो है ना फ़ोन करने वाले होते हैं.
हमारा गलती नहीं भी होने की वजह से लोग हमारे पे नाराज हो जाते हैं.
You have 100 good deals and one bad deal and your customer speaks badly about you online.
को रहने की जगह दी, हमको धन्यवाद भी नहीं दिया. पैसा तो हम रोज ही कमा रहे हैं.
So at the end of the day, when you have to give the check to your broker, it's like, अरे आपने किया क्या?
सामने वाले को अपने भाई से ज़्यादा समझकर उसको ट्रीट करते हैं.
That you are helping him someone take a decision for the biggest purchase in life.
उसको पूरा सेटिस्फेक्शन टिल द एंड, आप उसका पोजीशन पूरा सब कुछ कराने के बाद में जब वो क्लाइंट को एक फीलिंग आता है.
आई लव दिस बिजनेस.
पैसे के साथ साथ धन्यवाद भी जरूरी है ना सर.
On the occasion of World Brokers Day, a seminar was organized in Mumbai wherein eminent speakers from the real estate industry spoke about the crucial role that brokers play in property transactions.
An engineer from IIT, Mr. Jain is with JLL India. A seasoned market veteran with 18 years of hands-on for the year 2014 and 15. Mr. Batra is also the director of Avenue Projects at Araham Realty Private Limited, Kolkata, and is a thorough professional with over 20 years of experience in real estate. In 1986. In 1989, he started his own real estate agency and now he is the CEO of Square Feet Property Consultants. He later worked as Director, Sales Marketing, HR and Admin at Everest Group, Terraform Reality.
We have Mr. Ashwinder Raj Singh, who in some way represents the MNC broking houses who have set up huge operations in India, are hugely profitable, and represents what I call a personalized service but an institutionalized business of scale. So he'll tell you how you can scale up, how you can become somebody like him or like him. So I must tell you a small story. I passed out of a business. The reason Manish selected me to do this because I passed out of a business school in early 90s. Before that, I went to an engineering school and I did BTech computer science. So I got into my business school and from the first batch, the quality control was really bad. That's how people like me got in, right? Otherwise, there's no hell I can get into MDI now. So I passed out of MDI and I had very limited ambition. I wanted to join a software services company in sales and marketing. And from the campus, I got through into Mastech, which most of you know is a listed company.
Come on, we've got to give it to him as a token of thanks. Thank you once again to both of you.
So first, we want all of you all to raise your hands when we say, is everyone here tech friendly? Are you using WhatsApp, guys? Yes. Then we all are tech friendly, right? I mean, dollars, millions of dollars are going behind WhatsApp. It's technology, it's real technology.
To have a team of on-field implementation executives, an army of people who can actually sit with our brokers and handhold them to take them on the journey of being a broker to being a consultant, and in the middle, befriend technology.
Well, from whatever we saw, ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you that that was just a trailer of how your profession is going to change in the years to come. For another perspective on this topic, I would like to invite up on stage Mr. Sumit Jain, CEO of the leading online real estate portal, commonfloor.com, to come and share his thoughts. Please give him a huge round of applause.
So what does a property broker require? As per our understanding, you need to differentiate yourself in the marketplace. The marketplace is getting cluttered and everybody can claim himself to be a property broker. You need to add value to the property owner and the property seeker through site visits, through multiple ways. You need to make sure that you add value to the buyers also by showcasing property and doing transactions. You need to build reputation in the market and make sure that it scale and grow out of your office every 2 years. And last but not the least, optimize your business so that you can generate profits.
But thank you on behalf of everybody who has a roof over their head, thanks to your contribution, a big thank you. Well, our next speaker is a legend who needs no introduction, though I could honestly spend an entire day just introducing him. Such are his myriad achievements, from being the captain of the Indian cricket team the World Cup in 1983, to coaching some of the most talented cricketers in the country, from being the highest wicket taker in test match cricket to be a celebrated TV personality. He has truly done it all. All this after being born to a father who was actually involved in building construction work. So he probably knows the struggles that we're all talking about today. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and join me in welcoming the one and only, the legendary Mr. Kapil Dev. Our three co-founders are on stage to offer their thanks so that the media can have their photo opportunity before Mr. Dev takes the stage. Thank you, Mayank. Thank you, Neera. Thank you, Harish. Can we please have a photo opportunity? Can I please be a fangirl and get a photo as well with the three of you and sir? Can I have a photo?
Namaskar. Good evening. इतनी फोटो तो मैं जब रिटायरमेंट हुई थी तब नहीं ली But anyway, thank you very much inviting me on this stage. Even though this is not my field, but every Indian is involved with this field. We all, let's believe that. You believe it or not, the time you born, you only want to know what your parents bought, what you are going to buy, what you are selling. So this is part and parcel of your life. So I just wondering in last, couple of days when I come to know I have to come here and talk to you people. I said I don't know how to address them, But while sitting there, I come to know that everybody has to graduate, from school to college to university, you have to graduate. Like we play cricket. We play gully cricket, then we play straight, zone, play for India, look for higher also if we can go and become #1 in the world. So I was just looking why you have this broker. It's not very good name. एक ज़माना था लोग मॉडल कहते थे. आज कोई मॉडल बोले तो अच्छा नहीं लगता. आज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर बोलते हैं. Is that right or wrong? वो भी चीज बाहर चलेगी. आज मेरे को कोई बोले we want to make you brand ambassador. I said no, sorry. Equity दोगे कंपनी में? You have to think like that. And that's how I change my lifetime to time. When I come from a very humble family, yes, they introduced my father started timber business after partition, which we didn't know nothing about timber. My father. Eventually we come to know that it was beautiful, and yes, I look back and I feel yes, we are part and parcel of this given thing. Building houses, building buildings, or whatever you are trying to do that. And my father used to supply, and when you're a young kid, my father expired very, very early in his age, must be 50, 55. I was very young kid. And I only used to hear one thing. एक ही चीज सुनाई देती थी. कि पता नहीं आप समझ पाएंगे कि नहीं वो word उगराई. उगराई is how to collect your money.
Our keynote speaker today is one of the giants of the Indian property industry. During his 16-year career as head of one of India's largest property firms, Rustomjee, this icon has lived through and helped shape India's biggest property boom. His unique perspective is born out of varied experiences which make him the ideal person to lead the industry into a new era. Boman is a first-generation real estate developer and an entrepreneur with over 18 years of experience and knowledge of the industry. He has coupled business acumen with international exposure to put to use powerful and very successful strategies. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Mr. Boman R. Irani, the Chairman and Managing Director of Rustomjee Group and the driving force behind the success story of the real estate brand Rustomjee.
So, thank you for all those kind words, some of which I also realized first time today. Gentlemen, I don't know who to thank more. Santosh Nayak, who called me here today and said, listen, be the keynote speaker. Manish Porwal for calling this great entertainer called Anurag Batra all the way from Delhi to host one of the most amazing panel discussions I have seen to date. If you became part of the editorial of your magazines, you'd have a lot more interesting articles to read, wouldn't you? Say something. Of course. So, after all those innumerous books I have read about management, etc., I learned some of the most key things from my panel here today. And so, towards that, a big round of applause to all you guys. Yeah? So they say change is the only constant. You have to rehear this. Change is the only constant in life. The one thing that you'll continuously encounter is change. And still, most of us, if we look at the way we work, we are averse to change. Our first reaction to change is no. Right? This has got to change, really, in all and every spheres of our life. From the way we live, to the way we work in business, to the way we educate ourselves, to the way we want to go, everything has to constantly change. This is called being dynamic. And towards this, if there was one word that was missed out in all my panelists, viewpoint to all my dear broker friends out here, it was be dynamic, be ready to change. When I saw that little video of that guy going through all the muddles of the day to make that one flat sale, and when it doesn't happen, he just had to instantly change his reaction from sadness to happiness and say, no problem sir, tomorrow evening. Be dynamic, okay? And dynamic has a lot of connotations to it. It means being aggressive, it means being, a leader, it means being someone who can adapt to change, it means someone who will be an overall, a pillar of everything that the other person wants to see. When I was coming over here, I was wondering what will I speak to the same bunch or the tribe of people that have actually educated me about the business. Right? When I got into this business, I really did not know anything. I've got some of my friends here in the second row. All you, I thank you from the bottom of my heart, and I thank this larger group out here.
At Common Floor, we believe in empowering all the stakeholders in real estate ecosystem using technology and data to drive efficiency and speed in real estate development, dealing and buying. So what we believe is that at Common Floor, we have a responsibility towards providing technology to the property dealers so that they can do business more effectively.
No, I think it is an excellent initiative, and to be honest, we all should be proud to be brokers, because as one of the things that we just discussed, that there are developers who build the house, but it is the brokers who fill the house.
Brokers, channel partners as we call them, play a very integral part. They understand a little more about the product that they're selling, so 50% of the job is done by them, by understanding and explaining to their consumers. Then wherever they develop trust is where they actually go out and encourage a consumer to invest in. So this adds an added shine. A channel partner is actually a way in which he reaches out to a whole host of people, and so he already has a pre-prepared list of people that he can reach out to, which most advertisements which we see on hoardings or on the papers, etc., pass away immediately. But something that a channel partner would talk to me about is something that stays with me because he continuously brings it back to my attention. I think they play a very integral part of the business, and I think in the growing tomorrow, more and more increasingly so.
See, again, that was to make a point. Point is the role of a broker is changing. So a real estate broker is becoming a advisor, a trusted advisor. So in that context, I said that, it should be changed. But changing the name doesn't mean much. What needs to change is the skill. And today's World Brokers Day will some way be a catalyst in changing that skill.
मैं ब्रोकर भी बनाऊँ तो एज एन एक्टर ही बनाऊँ. मैंने एक्टिंग की है एज अ ब्रोकर, so I've not exactly changed my profession. But yeah, I mean, it felt really nice trying to, being a face of a community that works really hard. And that is actually, if you go to see the face of Mumbai and the face of modern India, because जब भी आप प्रॉपर्टी खरीदने की बात करते हैं, the first thing that comes to your mind is a broker. And if I am representing that community, I feel I am honored that I have been selected to do this, and I'm feeling great about it.
First, let me tell you the real estate industry in India is the largest employment generator and probably the largest revenue generator in terms of GDP to the government of India. At India level, we are trying to preach the basic principles which NAR Global US is following, so that we can compete with them on those standards with the ethical, transparent business practices.
आप जो काम कर रहे हैं आज वर्ल्ड ब्रोकर्स डे में एक सेंस ऑफ बिलोंगिंग पैदा की कि हम जो बिजनेस करते हैं उसकी एक रिकग्निशन है, एक डे है जो अभी आप सेलिब्रेट कर सकते हैं. हर ब्रोकर अभी अगले 9 जून की वेट करेगा कि, और इस साल आप जो भी साल में काम करते हैं वो आप वापस 1 साल होता है तो आप वापस पीछे मुड़ के देख सकते हैं कि मैंने क्या काम किया, मेरा योगदान क्या है इंडस्ट्री में। खाली हम अपने लिए नहीं सोचेंगे कि मैंने मेरे बिजनेस में क्या किया, आपको पूरी कम्युनिटी के लिए सोचना है, क्योंकि आपकी कम्युनिटी आपके लिए कुछ सोच रही है। आज का जो इवेंट था बहुत अच्छा इवेंट था। रियल्टी रिडिफाइंड ने बहुत अच्छा काम किया है ब्रोकर्स को एकजुट करने का, और एक अपने अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस पैदा किया है कि हमारा बिजनेस भी रिस्पेक्टेबल है, लोग उसको रिकग्नाइज करेंगे। टॉप ऑफ इट कपिल देव आए यहाँ पे, उन्होंने बहुत अच्छी बात की लोगों को कि आप जो भी काम करते हो ईमानदारी से करो। हो सकता है थोड़ा वक्त लगेगा, लेकिन आप हमेशा ज़िंदगी में सफल हो जाएंगे।
Hi, I am Nirav Gosalia, Director, Co-founder at Realty Redefined.
Hi, I'm Mayank, I'm the Director, Co-founder, Realty Redefined.
Hi, this is Harish, Director and Co-founder at Realty Redefined. Basically, we've launched 2 products today. One is called R-Square and the other is called agentsearch.in. R-Square is a mobile app and it's a CRM tool that is to be used by real estate brokers. It will basically engage at every point of their business. It will allow them to implement technology in a very easy way to run their business, which they are currently not doing at all.
So basically this app is going to make life of a broker very simple. When I say life of a broker very simple, what I mean is that he will be able to deliver better customer service, he will be able to retain customers with him for a longer time, because the customers will be happy with working with the same broker again and again, because his service levels will improve, right? So he will be able to reply to any inquiry that he gets from the field itself using the mobile app.
The tool itself is on mobile. It can be used while they are on the move, and it is as simple as a WhatsApp application. Secondly, what we are doing is we have an army of trainers who are on the field, who are implementing each and every customer one-on-one. So they're actually visiting the customer, sitting with them, understanding their problems and helping them use the mobile on the field. So we have an army of professionals all over India doing this. So that's how we plan to do this. So this has worked so far. We have around 1,000 customers with 90% implementation success. So that means around 900 of them are using it very well and they're happy with the product.
That's all from us today. But before we bid you a goodbye, let's have a look at the real life adventures of a real estate broker.
हाँ सर, 2 BHK शाम तक हो जाएगा सर। See you soon. कैसा लगा आपको घर सर?
Nice. कोई कुछ और है क्या?
हो जाएगा सर।
मीटिंग में हूँ, बाद में फोन करना।
अरे सर, वो क्लाइंट को फ्लैट देखना था, चाबी चाहिए थी।
हाँ हाँ, बाजू वाली आंटी से ले लेना।
थैंक यू सर।
आंटी, फुटबॉल वाला कीचेन।
मैं बोला ना तुम्हारा अंकल को दिया है।
हाँ सब, मैं नीचे खड़ा हूँ। है? क्यों? हाँ सर, आ रहा हूँ सर, बस 10 मिनट में सर।
थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग सर।
जरूर सर, कल शाम को चलेगा।